Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope dear students you are doing well. How your exams are going on, make sure you will comment down, okay, so that I will get some idea how you are writing the papers. So this is the principles of programming using C, today's paper. If I compare it with my passing package, as I'm most of the times I'm telling you that it totally depends upon the luck. If you just prefer my passing package, you can score more than 70 to 80, okay. So it depends totally upon the luck. Okay, so today I'm observing here. See the first questions. Define a computer, explaining the characteristics of a digital computer, explain the basic structure of a C program with a neat diagram. Okay, so let me show you my passing package over here. Okay. This is the principles of programming using C. First, define a computer. Okay, describe the various types of computers based on speed. So first question was there, define computer system over there. Okay, next is explain the structure of C. It was also there. Okay, and also write a short note on the characteristics of a computer, which I have provided. So these there are three questions which I have written in my passing package. So these were the two questions were there in your paper. Okay, so totally 20 marks coming from my passing package in the first module. Okay, let's compare now second module. So in second module, explain the various operations in C, explain the different forms of it is a statement with flowcharts, and next part is switch statement with an example, break and continue statement with example, and write a C program to largest of three numbers. So if I compare it with my passing package, so how many questions will come up? Okay, let's see in the module second. Okay, so this is model second. Explain with the syntax if and if else statement, no. So explain switch statement with syntax and example. So it was the first, and next is distinguish between the break and continue statement. So 14 marks coming from this package. Okay, so you can easily observe here, so break statement and continue statement and switch statement. So 14 marks from the second module. So 20 plus 14 is 34. Okay, so if I consider the module third now, so define recursion, write a C program to find the factorial of n using recursion. And what is an array? Explain the declaration of initialization of 1D array, and also C program to perform matrix multiplication. Okay, so our part I am considering in the model third. So okay, let's go to the passing package here. So see my dear friends, working of a recursion with suitable example. Write a C program to find the product of two given matrix, that is nothing but multiplication of a matrix. Okay, so these are the two, and also declaration and initialization of one dimensional and two dimensional array. So full module coming from my package over here. Okay, so these are the 20 plus 20, that is 40, 14 plus 40 plus 14, that is 54 from three modules. Okay, next is the module 4. So if I consider our part over here, that is define a pointer, discuss the declaration of a point variable, or I can simply go through the above part, that is develop a program using pointers to compute sum, mean and standard deviation of all the elements stored in an array. So these 10 marks are from the module 4. Okay, so if I just show you in the module 4, see here, develop a program using pointer to compute the sum, mean and standard deviation of all element. It was the 10 marks question. So 54 plus 10, that is 64. Then if I go to the module 5th, that is differentiate between structures and union, 6 marks question, and explain the various file operation with syntax for each. It is a 8 marks. So 14 marks again from this package. Okay, so this that is 64 plus 8, 72 plus 6 is 78. So 72 marks, 78 marks are from my passing package over there. So that is really a great achievement. Okay, I can say that, and all the best for your future papers also if you are referring my passing packages. Okay, so in the module 5th, you can see here, discuss different modes of operation on files with suitable example, and also compute average marks of the standards, list the students scoring above below the average marks for a class of 9 students, sorry. And next is differentiate between structure and union, and it was the question. So 14 marks from also 5 module. Okay dear, so hope if you are referring my passing package, so you can compare my passing package with also the model question papers and previous year question papers, so that you can score good in the rest of the subjects. So thank you for watching my video.